Okay, this is probably going to be one of the quickest videos ever made. We're going to go through how to use the broken link checker. Now what we'll do is we will refresh the page just so it's made sure it starts from fresh. This is where you can check any URL to see if there's any broken links on it. Right, now I've got this page here and I've on purpose put a broken link at the bottom of it. So you just put the URL in there and click check broken links, and it'll go off and think for a minute, go search, go drag out the links and see if there's any in there. Now there should be one good one and one broken one. Just give it a moment. And just, oh, here we go, it's there already. So it's found the broken link, okay, which means it goes to a 404. In other words, it's a link on someone's page that doesn't go anywhere. Now this is from the Backlink opportunity tool. You can reach out to the owner of that website saying, hey, you've got a broken link, but just so happens I've got an appropriate link that you could put in its place. And basically there's an email there you can copy and say, right, this is my web page that I believe would fit in there perfectly. Oh, here's my URL. This is where I found the broken link. Here's the contextual text. Once, explain why his readers would get benefit from your link. And, no pressure. Thanks for your time, Andrew. So that's how you do it. And you do that enough times and the guys will say, oh yeah, that's fair enough. I'll put his link in there. He was nice enough to find that I had a broken link, and you'll win backlinks that way. And obviously your website will push up. So that's how that works. And again, this is only one tool out of a whole suite of tools. If you come to my site, andrewtwelftree.com, come over to tools and you'll find they're all in there. Everything from QR code generators. Now these are all completely free. Most of them browser based. This one here, the energy resizer, compressor and converter. Basically I used to manipulate the images for my blog. I used to spend time on 4 or 5 websites to make it happen. I've created this tool that does it all in one place in seconds. Okay, I've got background removers, and then we've got the SEO. We've got the content planner, frequently asked questions generator, click to tweets, and this internal linking tool is invaluable. I've made that thinking, oh, that'd be cool, but when you start using it, it's like, holy shit, that's awesome. You don't even bother trying to link until after you've written your blog post. Then you just copy all your links, put it in there, and goes and finds where to put them. Yeah, and the Backlink Opportunity Finder is the other one. So, but there's more coming. The one that I'm pretty excited about is the YouTube Script Prompt Creator. And I'm dragging in resources from creators that teach you how to do hooks and storytelling and all kinds of things into that prompt, so it will come out with killer scripts for your YouTube videos. So on that, I hope to see you on the inside. Come over to the tools page and bookmark it. And if you love them that much, write about it and link back to me. I'd really love that. So for now, be awesome. Andrew out. Catch you later.